My name is Kashnath. I'm from Telangana.
Kashnath is nice name. Like I heard about from movies like Tamil movies. Kashnath we can call to it's a like heavy name. Okay, this is
Yeah.
interesting, man.
Yes,
Yeah. So
yes,
tell
yeah.
me about yourself. Like, what do you do in this day?
Yeah, bro. In the past, I'm a farmer. I did a farmer work, but 2 weeks ago, I came Sangareddy. I'm doing delivery boy job, and as well as I am searching for a better opportunity. Finally,
Mhm.
I got one opportunity yesterday. Maybe 3 days back, I given one interview. In
Okay.
that interview, I qualified. Right now, I got one job. I'm
Okay.
very happy with that because
Mhm.
I'm searching for a job after long time. After long time, I got this opportunity.
Okay.
Yeah.
Congratulations, man. Congratulations. Because
Thank you.
yesterday,
Thank you, bro.
that's nice, man. That's nice. Just keep going, keep learning.
Yeah.
So could you tell me about your journey? Like, you're talking about I did deliver boy, then I was suffering too many things, and you were graduate also. So what was that like? What was that about your journey?
Yeah,
If I
bro.
you tell me.
Okay. Okay. Bro, basically, I grown in a poor family.
Mhm.
Sometimes I did a labor job is also like I lift sand, like and I load on tractor. I did
Mhm.
that type of jobs. Like I went some. Do you know government work like a
Yes, yes.
army work? Like
Yeah,
I went
labor
that.
work as labor.
Yeah,
Yeah.
labor work. I did a
Mhm.
lots of work, bro. Not only deliver by job is a little bit professional job, but
Yes,
uh,
yes.
I did that type of works also.
Okay. Oh,
But
I see.
that time when I am doing farmer work, that time I learned English as well as like
Mhm.
how I learned. I want to explain with you. I'm
Mhm.
doing agriculture work and as well as I am talking with my friends in online. Like I am
Mhm.
I tied my phone with towel on my throat. I turn
Mhm.
on my speaker and I'm doing work with some agriculture. Do you know, like
Oh, I see.
needs?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, I'm doing with my two hands that work, and I learned that type of hard work English. Today I'm little bit speak, bro. I can speak little bit, bro.
Yeah, of course, not little bit, man. Before I told you you are speaking more than you are, improving more than. So just keep going, keep learning. Because if you elaborate yourself, if you listen, if you try to consume more, if you take a output, like if you take an input, automatically you will produce a output. So it's very important, if possible, then listen more, talk more, and think more. Definitely you will get an idea. Okay. And because communicate, if I talk about in this day, communication is very very important in our life. Without communication, communication means what? Like at least understanding a story. And especially if I talk about English, so literally without English we could not make a good career, we could not get a good job. We are educated but we don't have a communication, we don't have a English skill, so definitely we will never get a good job. And no anyone respect our degree, man. Degree is just a piece of paper, but your behavior seems like, we can see your behavior. I don't know how to be call this idiom, but degree is just like piece of paper, man. Degree is just piece of paper.
Yes,
No
you're right.
anyone ask about. If you have any skill, any talent, talent, any unique thing, then people try to reach your profession, try to compliment like you're doing great, you are great person.
Mm.
But degree, no anyone ask about your marks. After college, after graduation, if you able to attend the interview, okay, over there interviewer never ask about your degree, like in 12th standard, 10th standard, how much get a percentage and something. No, they wanted to always your skill, your communication. Are you suitable for this thing or not? So without communication, brother, no anyone give a job. No anyone.
Yes, yes, you're right, brother. You're right. You're right.
Yeah.
Uh, that's why I'm learning. I'm focusing on my communication skills nowadays.
Mhm. Okay. Yeah, that's great. That's great. Just keep going, keep learning. If possible, then interact with the stranger, consume a more like listen podcast, listen a story, and if possible, then attend more interview. You will get the experience how to talk, how to answer, how to prepare yourself. Definitely, we will get more things. Regular basis, I try to talk with stranger. So I'm getting information like what kind of what's going on in the world, what's going on in the market, what's requirement. So this is plus point. While conversation, if you interact with a stranger, you get the information like regarding education, regarding study, regarding job, regarding career, regarding of like life, success, failure. You are getting information from strangers. So if possible, then interact with, ask about question, ask a million question, then you will get the answer, then you will prepare yourself.
Yes, yes, bro. In the past, I did the same work. I'm trying to prepare questions with stranger. Like, I want to make more better conversation. What can I do? I don't know English perfect. What can I do? I want to learn something with my friends. I'm trying to make questions. I'm trying to make questions. Sometimes I'm beginner. I cannot speak anything single word in English. But that time I did a I did a I make a so many questions. That time, do you
Okay.
know I created 1 hour video with one friend. I am beginner,
Yeah.
but I created 1 hour video
Yeah,
because
that's
of
great.
questions,
That's
questioning.
you know whenever we get a question, then definitely we will get the answer also. Very
Yes,
important. Prepare your question, find your question, and find your solution. Whenever you get a question, definitely answer will also ready. So whenever you get the answer, you will do whatever you want. So it's very
yes, yes,
important. Just think, just ask yourself, prepare your question, work yourself, do hard work, learn more. What is the difficulty? What is the mistake? What's your weakness point? Just do it. Definitely, you will get a lots of way to like making a career about job. Because why I'm telling, in this day people are suffering too many things, too many problems about job, about life, about study, about exam, too many things. No anyone feeling too happy. Everyone
yes,
have a problem. But we have to think about, at least we have to find our answer. We have to solve the problem. Solution is very important. If you try to give up like I don't have a partner, I don't have a information, how do I go, where do I go, and you are making excuses yourself. So this is not like solve your problem. Never going to solve your problem, we can say. But your problem will increase when you go to backward. And same thing, if you try to find a solution, find the answer, then your problem will trying to removing from your side. So it's very important, if possible, then make a question, find, pursue your question, pursue your dreams. If I tell you like you were working as a deliver boy, and right now yesterday you got a supervisor, so what is the difference between, you searched out, you took some step, that's why reason right now you are good position. And in future time, definitely if you do hard work, you will get a handsome job in future, maybe like HR, maybe like supervisor, big company like that. It's possible. Everything is possible in this world. Nothing is possible, everything is possible. But we have to clear, always we have to think a positivity, always we can say ourselves like I can do it, I can
yes.
do it. This is a
Yes.
power of spirit.
Yeah, yeah. You're right. You're right. Yeah, first of all, we want to positive mentality. When we have positive
Yeah.
mentality, everything is possible. Like, do you know? I want to say my story in the past. Uh, I said I started my journey 3 months ago. That time I don't know English. I'm trying to talk with always in English with my friends. That time so many people they are commenting me like he is talking in English. He is not talking in Telugu. Oh, he's talking different countries friends. Do you know I got one name is also. Yeah. Like that. So many people they are commenting.
Yes.
When we are using English word that time, we are giving answer. Yeah, bro. Yeah. Like that we can give. Some people they are commenting. Yeah. What is yeah like that? Yeah.
Right.
But I uh, I did I put 100% effort. That's why we are little bit speaking. Yeah, but we when we are putting 100% effort, God is also helping us.
Yes.
I can do this.
Always. Before I
Yeah,
told you, brother, like hard work is very, very important. Don't care about your result.
yeah,
Definitely, result will declare good. Like God will help you, but it's very important your hard work,
yes,
your
bro.
mind, your dreams, your success. You know,
Yes,
suppose if I tell you like you want to become a good person means like you want to settle in your life and good way. We can say like you want to get a good job and your dream is like unique thing. Definitely you will try to pursue, but it's very important if you give 100%, then you will achieve. You know, then you
yes,
will achieve.
yes,
Without the struggle we could not get, brother. Maybe you heard about one sentence like no pain no gain, no pain no gain. So
yes,
this is
yes,
life structure. If you want to achieve something, then you have to sacrifice.
yes. You
You
are
have
right. You are right.
okay. Yeah.
Yeah, that's why nowadays we are struggling, bro. Uh, if we are not making any conversation, if you are trying to learn with your books, maybe it is not possible because if you want to improve your pronunciation, your way of talking, when we are
Mm.
trying to talk with your friend, that time you know how I am talking. I how I am I will try to improve myself like that. You know everything like
Yes.
that's why we need competitor and we need one friend.
Yes, absolutely. I'm going to tell you one thing. No matter how we feel, get up, dress up, show up, but never give up. Never give up. Yeah.